have hair extensions like myself. Today is a hair wash day for me, so I thought I would share with you guys my care maintenance to keep my hair looking nice and healthy, to get it to last as long as possible really. So sorry about my eyebrows that need doing and my face, but without talking about loads of stuff they don't really care about, I'll get started. So obviously the first thing that I do is I brush my hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some coconut oil in my hair and let that sit in my hair for today before I wash it later this evening. So obviously first I'm going to brush my hair. I'm using this sort of it is a Tangle brush. It hasn't got any bubbles on the end, which is a big no-no for extensions, because if you get them caught above the bond, it'll pull your bond out. So always brushes with no bubbles on the end. I actually sell these for £3, I think. So yeah, good brush. So I think that's pretty much done. I give it a little brush before the video. Next thing is to put in some coconut oil. Now, I actually don't know where I got this. I've had it in the house for years. Yeah, I don't know. It's just coconut oil, and I never really used it for ages because I don't actually like the smell. But it is really good for your hair. So, just coconut oil. I'm going to put some in my hands. It comes out in a little sort of lump like that. And I'm just going to rub it in my hands so it sort of goes all sort of shiny. You get rid of all the lumps. Like this. And we're just going to, oh, there's a big lump in between my fingers. And then just rub it into your hair. So now that I've got it all in my hair where I'm happy with, just from the nape of my neck downwards, I'm going to take a comb. Obviously don't use your hairbrush that you use when it's dry, because then when you brush your hair again, you get all oil in it. Yeah, not good. So just give it a brush through, nice and gentle. I'm just going to put it in a bun and then go about the rest of my day, take my kids out to the park or something, I don't know, and I'll come back when I'm about to wash my hair. See you later. So I've had the coconut oil in my hair for a good 6 or 7 hours. I wasn't really tracking the time, but it's been in there a good few hours, so you can see my hair's all messy because I've been about my day. And what I'm going to do, I'm about to go wash my hair, so I'm going to show you the products that I use in the shower. I mainly use Hask products. They look like this in a brown bottle, and I've got various different ones. This one's the Argan Oil one, this one's coconut. I appreciate all the words are probably going to be backwards to you guys because I'm filming this in sort of selfie mode. So this is the shampoo that I use. It's the Argan Oil of Morocco one, Hask. Up there you can see it again backwards. And it's sulfate, paraben, gluten, drying alcohol and artificial colours free. So it's like free of loads of stuff. I use this for shampoo. Only around the scalp, give it a good massage, all around, you know, sort of like this. Rinse it out, not along the length, just your scalp. I use sort of various conditioners depending on how I'm feeling, really. This is the, again, Hask, but it's the coconut oil one. I've only got a little bit of this one left. I was intending actually to switching over to the Argan Oil one. So I run this along the length of my hair and try to leave it for, you know, 2 minutes-ish. The other conditioner that I used that I sort of saw that was recommended online was the Aussie 3-minute miracle one for moisture. I'm not sure about this one. I keep trying it to see if it, you know, is worth it, but I'm not sure at the moment. But I'm gonna keep giving it a go for maybe, I don't know. I'll let you know. And then hair mask. Once a week I use a hair mask. For those that didn't know, I only wash my hair twice a week. No, I don't recommend any more than 3 times a week. Definitely not. The more you wash it, the more you dry it out. So yeah, and then I use a mask once a week. This is the mask that I'm currently using. Again, it's the Hask Argan Oil one. I probably get 3 uses out of this. I don't use the whole packet. You could probably use half the packet. Like I say, I get 3 uses, about 3 uses out of this. Again, it's the length of the hair, you know, sort of ponytail, holding a ponytail, and then the rest of it. Concentrating on the ends. And then leave it on for, I try and leave it on for a good 10 minutes, you know. I'll put it on, maybe shave my legs and shave my arms, blah, blah, blah. And that gives it a good soak into your hair. And then I'll, you know, rinse it out. So I'm going to go do that. I'm going to go wash and condition my hair, and then I will come back and show you the aftercare products that I use once it's all been washed. So I've just been in the shower. I've washed all my hair like I said I would with all those products. So now I'm just going to show you what I do after. So I'm going to take my hair out of this towel. The first thing I do is just give it a squeeze in the towel. Do not rub it, particularly up by your scalp. Just like pat it. Do not rub it because you'll encourage matting, and that's something we definitely don't want. And towards the end of the hair, if you rub it, you'll, you know, snag the hair and stuff like that. So just give it a squeeze instead. So now that I've done that, my hair's everywhere. The first thing that I use is a heat protectant treatment. At the moment, I'm using the Tresemme one, which is a 7-in-1 product. It's up to 72 hours of frizz control, silky shine, perfectly detangles, soft feel, tames flyaways, and it's got mural oil and, you know, heat protectant spray. Again, it'll be backwards to you guys, I think. This one's a bit run out, so yeah, I'm just gonna spray that all over my hair. Then I put some oils in my hair. I use 2 different oils and I use them both. The first one again is another Hask product. It's the Argan Oil again one, and it strengthens and restores, again sulfate free, paraben free. So yeah, I use this first, and I just squeeze it onto my hand. Some say a penny size or a pea size. I just pretty much go to town with it, if I'm honest, and use as much as I feel my hair needs. Rubbed in. And then the second one that I use is also an Argan Oil one. It's just called Argan Oil hair treatment with Moroccan argan oil extract. Repairs and rejuvenates, leaving hair shiny, smooth and healthy. This one is super cheap. There you go, just so you can see. I know again it's probably going to be backwards, just so you can see what it looks like. But yeah, I think I got this for £1 in like Home Bargains or something like that. So yeah, again I use this one. This used to come with a squishy thing, I don't know what you call it, but for some reason it doesn't anymore, so you have to pour it into your hand. Be careful, you know, pour it super slow, otherwise you're going to end up with loads. So yeah, there we go. See, that's can see that, that's about the amount that I use. And I'll just rub it into the hair. And that is pretty much it for me. In terms of drying it, I let it dry on its own naturally for a little while. Do not brush your hair wet, or at least this wet. You'll pull your extensions again, another thing that will pull your extensions. So I'll let it dry naturally for a little while, probably go do my eyebrows, and then once that is, you know, sort of dried a lot by itself, then I'll get the hairdryer on it and, you know, brush it gently. So that's it, guys. If you want to know anything else, oh, and the other thing is, if you guys have any other products that you use that you would highly recommend, let me know. I'd love to give them a try. But yeah, if there's anything else that you want to know about your care of your extensions or anything, let me know.